Australian Banking Association's cost of living inquiry reveals bank pressure. An analysis of the rising inflation and concurrent collapse of Silicon Valley Bank proved that more than 186 banks in the US are at risk of a similar shutdown if depositors decide to withdraw all funds. NewZone. This piece of history. Collect this article as an trade association for the Australian banking industry. Australian Banking Association, ABA, launched a cost of living inquiry to closely study the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, global supply chain constraints and geopolitical tensions, among others, on Australians. An analysis of the rising inflation and concurrent collapse of three major traditional banks, Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, Silvergate Bank and Signature Bank, recently proved that more than 186 banks in the US are at risk of a similar shutdown if depositors decide to withdraw all funds. ABA's inquiry aims to identify ways to ease the cost of living in Australia and the government's fiscal policy response. ABA acknowledged that many Australians would struggle to adjust to a higher cost of living, while it may be easier for some, adding that one of the biggest pressures for banks was when citizens rolled over from a fixed-rate mortgage to a variable rate. However, ABA urged customers to be proactive and ensure they are getting the best deal for their banking services. Property rent across Australia has also witnessed a steady increase as markets normalised following the end of COVID-19 restrictions. Citizens experiencing financial difficulty can contact their Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.